and the indomie I think is 200 naira. So and if it's 250, buy yam.
Wetin be this? Jesus.
I've walk. I'm tired like this. Mo ti ṣe orí mi ti fẹ́ daughter. I don't single threat she no get. Ọlọ́run say, you see this God, he just love me too much. Emo Bobam. Thank God that you are back. So you going to buy indomie from that other side. And you go and fetch water.
So you see that we just come back from school now.
Jesus! You know say I dey blind. That's why I no see too often. I say when I just dey come back from school.
This is plain.
I don't fit send you message. So when to buy indomie, and the indomie I think is 200 naira. So and if it's 250, buy yam. Oya take. In fact, come and drop your bag. Kó tó sálọ. Hoodlums lẹ fẹ́ yàn. Go drop your bag and go and buy me the indomie. One bag dirty. What are you still waiting for? Oya you to drop your bag and go and fetch the water. Because you guys are going to school, we will not stop again. So you can go to school like me sef, I don't go to school.
Hey little girl, how are you?
How much be this indomie?
250.
250?
Yes.
Don't worry.
Come now. It's only you that know.
Wetin be this? Jesus.
And the indomie I think is 200 naira. So and if it's 250, buy yam.
I'm very stupid. I'm very foolish.
What's he carrying? What's he going to buy yam?
No be you say if indomie na 250, make I buy yam.
I say buy ham, not buy yam. Who wan shop am?
Abeg comot.
Ẹ gbà mí lọ́wọ́ ọmọ. Bódà ti rí win. Say me wey no dey chop yam now. So who go chop this yam now? Who go chop am?
Sorry.